Hello, my name is Mabel. It's almost been a month that China finished its quarantine and everything has back to normal. And public transportation is as busy as usual. How's your quarantine right now? I know that the rest of the world are under quarantine. My name is Mabel. I'm a sourcing agent in Guangzhou. As you all know, I help people to buy goods from China, put up their brands, and help them to ship, quality control. So everything from the starting point to the end point of sourcing. During the time we help doing sourcing, we are asked a lot whether we can also design logo and package. Because a lot of people are starting out their brand and sourcing out from China, or some clients they are rebranding their existing products. After some time of planning and considerations, we are happy to announce that we are branching out to this service. We roll up our sleeves to help you to grow your brand through fourfold development, such as logo design, packaging design, web development, and also photography. So photography is more for clients who want their professional photos on their website and they don't just want some images from the suppliers. As we all know, having the first good impression is vital to communicate your objective and establish good relationship with your audience. That's why developing professional images and having eye-catching materials are essential part of your marketing strategy. Our team will work closely with you to develop your brand and put your brand ahead of your competitor. We deliver intelligent, effective work for your brand, from print design, web design to photography. My name is Mabel. I'm a sourcing agent in Guangzhou. If you like this video, subscribe to this channel. And now is the best time for you to work out your brand. If you have any ideas or inquiries, you can contact me with my email below. Have a nice day.